When I was in high school, I thought I wanted to be a nurse, and 2 years later, here I am.
Nurses play an integral role in healthcare by working to improve patients' lives every day. Nurses focus on treating the whole patient instead of just one condition or disease. And nurses are needed in hospitals, clinics, nursing homes, laboratories, and schools. Nursing careers provide high job satisfaction, and nurses are considered to be the most honest and ethical of all professions in the United States.
My name's Cosette, and I'm a nurse at Essentia Health, St. Joseph's Medical Center in Brainerd.
St. Joseph's Medical Center is an 80-bed hospital and Level 3 trauma center, which serves patients from throughout the region as part of Essentia Health's integrated network of hospitals and clinics. Essentia Health employs more than 1,500 people in the Brainerd Lakes area alone, including over 470 nurses.
Right out of high school, I started nursing school when I was 18, and I did a 2-year nursing program at Brainerd Lakes College and graduated when I was 20. I like the patient care, love helping people and seeing them get better each and every day. I work a 12-hour shift, so when we're working 3 12s in a row, I work what most people work in 5 days in 3 days. You're jam-packed with things to do, you have dressing changes and wound care, and you have medications to give and people to see.
Cosette is somebody that I hired, and I saw from the day that we interviewed her, I saw a desire. She loves to problem solve. She loves to get in there, and she enjoys people.
I'm pretty nerdy. I like the medical side of things, anatomy and physiology, so I like learning about the disease process and how we cure it.
I think to be a great nurse, first you have to have a desire to make a difference. Also, you really want a challenge. Every day is different.
Nurses also have to have really good critical thinking skills, so their jobs are not always easy, and it can be very challenging and rewarding work, and they have a great opportunity to make a really big impact on people.
The nursing profession offers outstanding career opportunities and excellent income potential. There are more than 85,000 nursing positions in Minnesota, and the demand for new nurses is growing faster than the average for all other occupations.
Nursing is one of the occupations that's definitely in demand, and we will probably see shortages of nurses, so we anticipate that this is definitely a career, if you were to choose, that you would be able to work really anywhere you wanted to.
There is a career ladder in nursing, and positions that require more education and experience also pay more. The licensed practical nurse training can be completed in less than 1 year. Becoming a registered nurse can take as little as 2 years. With additional study and experience, there are careers for nursing managers and advanced practice positions, such as nurse practitioners.
There is a career ladder available at Essentia Health. If you come here in an entry-level job or a beginning nurse and you want to grow and develop, we have lots of opportunities for you to do that throughout your career.
I started out as a 2-year nurse. I will be getting my 4-year nurse here in May, and then in the next couple years I'm going to go back to graduate school to be a nurse practitioner or physician assistant.
We do offer tuition reimbursement for our employees. Say you came here as a certified nursing assistant and you're working on one of our departments, you could receive tuition reimbursement to go back to school to get your LPN or your licensed practical nurse. We also support people in getting their RN, so if you're an LPN and you wanted to become an RN, or if you're an RN and you wanted to get your bachelor's degree in nursing, you can go on to do that.
Central Lakes College offers certificate and degree programs in nursing at its Staples and Brainerd campuses. Depending on which program you choose, you can complete your training in just 1 or 2 years and be on your way to a rewarding career. You may even be eligible to apply for scholarships.
If you're interested in nursing, we have many different options. We have our licensed practical nursing program, the LPN program, which is a 2-semester program. That is, classes are held over at the Staples campus. And then we have our associate degree, which is the RN program here on the Brainerd campus. If you talk to students who have come through our program, while it is rigorous and you do have to do your due diligence and work and studying, we do really care about your success. The other thing is the obvious, that it's just much much more economical as far as the cost here versus the other four-year university, and you're still getting absolutely the highest quality education that you could.
As a high school student, it is important to start preparing now for your future career.
I would encourage students to do is volunteer at a hospital because it's an opportunity to get firsthand experience and just see, is this a career I would like or not?
There's so many different kinds of nursing. You have floor nursing, OR nursing, ER nursing. You can do nursing that doesn't even involve patient care, and you kind of have to dip your feet into the different specialties to see what you like.
Ask your school counselor about courses and other opportunities that will help you learn more about careers in nursing.
If somebody was to hold me according to what I did in high school, I was probably one of the worst high school students that ever came out. And so I know that if I can do it, anybody can do it. You just have to have the desire and the commitment and the joy. Biggest thing is the joy.
Choosing a career and educational path after high school is one of the most important decisions you can make. In a time of life when there are more questions than answers, the Bridges Career Academies and Workplace Connection provides information about education and career pathways and gives you the tools you need to make a smart choice, one that's right for you and right for your future. To learn more, visit bridgesconnection.org.